Welcome to etvFutures.com. Today is Wednesday, December 5th. I'm Caitlin Sisney with your Commodities Open. Crude oil rose more than $1 a barrel after OPEC agreed to keep production targets unchanged, rejecting calls to increase output. The Energy Department reported that U.S. crude oil inventories fell 7.91 million barrels to 305.2 million barrels last week, the biggest drop since September 2004. Crude oil is trading at $88.70 per barrel on the NYMEX. Natural gas in New York was little changed on forecasts for higher temperatures and lower demand. Natural gas is trading at $7.20 per million British thermal units. Gold and silver fell after the dollar rebounded against the euro, reducing the appeal of the precious metals as alternative investments. Gold is trading at $802.30 per ounce. Silver is trading at $14.41 an ounce. Today we're joined by Paul Brittain from Alaron. Paul, how will today's OPEC decision affect the commodities market?
Good morning. This is Paul Brittain from Alaron Trading in Las Vegas, Nevada. Hey, today in the energy markets, with the overnight meeting of the OPEC ministers, they decided to keep oil output at its current production levels, defending their decision upon their expectations of future demand going into the next few years and the high cost of exploration and the risky nature of exploration. The news of this initially pushed crude oil higher, based on the January contract. We saw the market reach highs of back over $90, reaching $90.39 in the overnight trading. However, then later in the morning, the inventory data was released, and even though it initially appears to be bullish on crude oil, with crude oil dropping 8 million barrels, this information reversed the markets. The inventory data came out with crude oil dropping 8 million barrels. Unleaded saw an increase of 4 million, and distillates by 1.4 million barrels increase. Anyway, all this information kind of cooled the jets of the energy markets and had pushed January crude back down under $89 a barrel. We also saw heating oil retreat from its highs of $257.29, falling almost 7 cents from its high. And unleaded gasoline is down almost a full penny at $2.24. In the silver and gold markets, we also see silver and gold off on the day, following reacting to the strength in the dollar stronger. So we have gold down by $6, trading at just over $800 on the February contract, and March silver is down 9 cents at $14.37. That's all I've got for you today. Thanks for coming.
Thanks, Paul. That was Paul Brittain from Alaron. I'm Caitlin Sisney. Join us again for another update right here on etvFutures.com.